back. Now, Amid, as far as Delhi elections and the politics that has now taken center stage, just days before that, BJP has now released a video showcasing the Sheesh Mahal, or the official residence of the Delhi Chief Minister. The video that highlights luxurious changes to the Chief Minister's residence just days before the Delhi Assembly elections that are due on the 5th of Feb. And the BJP there on Sunday releasing a video of the Aam Aadmi Party national convener and former Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal's old residence as Sheesh Mahal, with the video that has been shared by the Delhi BJP on its social media handles. Let's in the meantime just talk about here how the Union Home Minister Amit Shah has reacted, because a week before Delhi Dangal and the Union Home Minister seems to be attacking Arvind Kejriwal, invoking Sheesh Mahal. He seems to be slamming Arvind Kejriwal, calling it 51 crore ka Sheesh Mahal that has been built from the taxpayers' money.
हम सरकारी बंगला भी नहीं लेंगे और भाइयों बहनों इतना बड़ा 51 करोड़ का शीश महल बनाया, 4 बंगले तोड़कर एक बंगला बनाने का काम एक केजरीवाल जी ने किया। मुझे बताओ भाई, 6 करोड़ रुपए के मार्बल, डिजाइनर मार्बल आप किसी के घर में लगे हैं क्या? जोर से बोलो भाई, लगे हैं? 4 से 6 करोड़ के मोटराइज पर्दे जो रिमोट कंट्रोल से खुलते हैं आपके घर में लगे हैं क्या? 70 लाख के ऑटोमेटिक दरवाजे ताली बजाने से खुलता है, आपके घर में लगे हैं क्या? 16 स्मार्ट टीवी 64 लाख के खर्चे से 50 लाख रुपए की कालीनें बिछाई गई, 15 करोड़ का वाटर सिस्टम बिठाया गया, 10 लाख के रिक्लाइनर सोफा लगाए गए। आप मुझे बताओ नरेला वालों, किसी के घर में है क्या? है क्या? ये सब केजरीवाल जी के शीश महल में था। मैंने केजरीवाल जी को कहा, मगर मेरी मानते नहीं। मैंने उनको कहा, भैया दिल्ली वालों के नसीब में शीश महल तो नहीं है, मगर सबको एक एक चाय तो वहां पिला दो तो का आपका घर भी तनिक देख ले। मगर उन्होंने कभी नहीं बुलाया।
Well, Mohit, who is joining us right now. Mohit, just days to go before the Delhi elections, and it seems that in this long video that the BJP now seems to have released gives an insight on how the residence of the former Delhi Chief Minister looked like.
Well, Amita, that has been the attack by the BJP, that Arvind Kejriwal came on the premise of saying that I will not take a big bungalow, not take a security, but he has constructed a Sheesh Mahal for himself at a time when people in Delhi were grasping for the oxygen, when people were dying during COVID, during 2020, 2021. Sheesh Mahal was being constructed by Arvind Kejriwal, and that has been the main poll plank of the BJP in run-up to these elections. And look at this. This is a particular wall that has been put outside the press conference hall of the state BJP. This has been put inside BJP office because BJP believes that anyone who comes to the BJP office should see this. And look at this. Now it talks about Sheesh Mahal, and that is why we say that how this will be a big issue for the BJP in run-up to the elections, and they have been raising this. And 14-minute video has been released by the BJP. This particular wall says Shahi Shauq Palne mein Kejriwal ne di Delhi Sultanat ke Shahenshah ko maat. And this is the inventory of items that has come from the official. That is also being put up over here, that how exactly money was being spent. Now look at these posters over here. It says automatic darwaze 70 lakh, fridge 9 lakh, body massage chair 4 lakh, one commode is for 10 to 15 lakh rupees, Saaj Sajja 10 crore rupees, Vietnamese marble 1.15 crore rupees, carpet for 50 lakh, curtains for 5 crore. So this is the caricature of Arvind Kejriwal that has been put over here. So BJP believes that Sheesh Mahal is an issue on which Arvind Kejriwal is not able to react, because whenever the Aam Aadmi Party is being asked this question, they say that crores of rupees are being spent on the residence of Prime Minister Narendra Modi. So why exactly those those questions are not being asked. So clearly, whenever the questions on Sheesh Mahal is being asked to Aam Aadmi Party, they get a bit uncomfortable and they start reacting very aggressively on Prime Minister Narendra Modi.
We saw that BJP seems to be projecting the Aam Aadmi Party just days ahead of the Delhi elections that we are looking at. And of course, when it comes to the war of words, Mohit, that has now been escalated, we'll put out the reactions that have been coming in. Not just the BJP that seems to be hitting out at the Aam Aadmi Party convener and former Delhi Chief Minister. The Congress Party seems to be raising questions and saying that this is the hypocrisy or the double standards of the Aam Aadmi Party being exposed.
केजरीवाल के अय्याशी का शीश महल आज सबके सामने आ चुका है, जिसमें कि 350% ज्यादा खर्च किया गया, जिसमें कि करोड़ों रुपए के मार्बल लगे, करोड़ों रुपए के कर्टन लगे, जिसमें 63 लाख रुपए के टीवी लगे, जिसमें लाखों करोड़ों रुपए खर्च हुए जब कोविड के समय पर दिल्ली की जनता त्राहिमाम कर रही थी। ये शीश महल केवल एक घर के रेनोवेशन की दास्तान नहीं, मानसिक और सियासी रेनोवेशन की कथा बताता है, जिसमें कि अरविंद केजरीवाल, जिन्होंने 2013 में हलफनामा लिखकर दिया था कि हम छोटे घर में रहेंगे, वीवीआईपी सिक्योरिटी नहीं लेंगे, उनका सियासी धर्मांतरण हुआ और वो शीश महल बनाने लगे।
Such a debauchery I haven't seen. The person who said that leaders should not have a big bungalow, security shouldn't be there, it should be for the people, and all other benefits. But finally, he did to the hilt that during COVID period, he could build such a palatial house, though that time was for taking care of the people. But that means he has so much of clinging, so much of intellectually dishonest. Such a dishonesty is very rare.